I'm Dan Loomis with RFMW, and I'm here talking to Mark Boyer from TTM Technologies today about some high-performance microwave products that they're releasing. Mark, tell us more about some of the exciting new products you are releasing today.
Well, I'm glad. Yeah, I mean, in 2025 here at IMS, we're introducing a new range of broadband components. Now, historically, we've been really recognized for our narrowband products and predominantly in the telecom market. And I think what we're seeing now is much more shift to a wider band applications, both in software definable radios as well as test equipment. And for that reason, we've introduced a number of new products as part of a larger family over the next probably 2 years. And what we've introduced today at this show is some very broadband balance transformers. And predominantly these products are actually being used in a variety of applications, but mostly in A to D converters, D to A converters, as well as RF SoCs.
Awesome. And Mark, what are some of the specs that set this product apart?
That's a good question, because one of the major specifications required, especially when components like this are married to end applications in A to D converters and D to A converters, is common mode rejection ratio. And this is really a combination of phase and amplitude balance. An improved phase and amplitude balance creates a better CMRR, which overall will give you much better performance from the outputs and inputs of the devices that I mentioned. So one of the key factors there is CMRR, as well as form factor. The products have to be very tiny. These components, A to D and D to A converters, RF ICs, have many inputs and many outputs, which means that one of the biggest challenges is a fan out. So you end up with a component, if they're large, you have a very small IC, but then the fan out is huge on your board. Going to a much smaller form factor allows a much more elegant implementation. So for us, it's really the key specs, insertion loss, etc., but common mode rejection ratio and physical size. And you can see that really from this part itself. Historically, a component with this type of performance, covering a band between 600 and 6 gigahertz, will actually be much, much larger than this, which creates that fan-out challenge in a layout. Whereas with having a product so small and meeting such a wideband performance, it can be implemented next to the chip and lots of them side by side to make a much more elegant implementation in a smaller, high-density format.
Great. And Mark, what are some of the applications or markets that this product is targeted for?
It's really, telecom was originally the design for it, but we're seeing a huge amount of mil-aero applications, drone applications, and I think the more and more we see software definable radio sneaking into the perimeter of our industry in various verticals, we're really going to take advantage of these types of products offering such a wide band of coverage with a single component, which historically has been multiple components used to meet the same band.
Super. And when, Mark, can the customer start ordering and getting samples?
Well, we're delighted to say that the release of this product at this event really marks the introduction of the product, both availability for sampling, as well as having the product in stock at our distributor, RFMW. And we're delighted to be able to promote this at this show with you guys, because I think we give the largest opportunity of our customer penetration through your field sales team and the overall RFMW organization.
Great. Well, thank you, Mark. Again, I'm Dan Loomis with RFMW, and we were just looking at the new balance transformers from TTM Technologies. To find out more information, go to rfmw.com. Thank you, Mark.
Thanks very much.